up, guys? So day's 5. Got all the sanding done yesterday. Now we're pressure washing all the grime and crud off. We've got some clean slate we're gonna spray on to get the grease and grime off, and so that we can let it dry. Monday we're gonna start installing graphics, installing the white vinyl, the base. So right now you can see Aaron's pressure washing, getting all the black. It's really just the black crud settlement that gets on there over time where it's set all winter. We'll be scrubbing too. Actually less than about a half an ounce of clean slate in it from Chemical Guys, and then the rest water. We're gonna foam this on, scrub it. Out here. stick that vinyl, sticks better. Still do an alcohol wipe on it, but it's all the dust and contaminants off of it. Makes it stick a whole lot better. So that's day 5. Getting the boat ready. Like I said, we're gonna start Monday putting vinyl on. It's gonna be good. Put white vinyl on, and we got the decal and stuff to make. Put it on. That's how we do it. Stay tuned for part 6, installing vinyl. Woo!